Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Monday, August 26, 2024. Right now it's at 9:30. So the future opened on Sunday, and it's kind of upbeat. Well, it actually only kind of opened up a little bit there, but I mean open kind of flat. But it's when I say it's upbeat because it was able to break break above this opening zone pretty quickly. Then it make a move going to the downside, and it seems like it ran down pretty hard, and later coming back, and then kind of it actually make a new high. So from that perspective, we can see that how volatile it was, and from there, and it came back down again. It actually went below this opening zone again, and but it was able to somewhat stabilize still, and then slowly kind of coming back and make a new high again, and essentially this is another like a symmetric level, and later it's somewhat kind of more structural, and it came back down to the middle and go back up again. That's kind of about the time that the market opened. The market opened right around this kind of the high of the overnight. And as we can see that after the market opened, it pushed above this opening zone, and this almost kind of mirroring that what happened like on Sunday evening, and apparently it make a new high, and it seems like I guess lots of people probably became pretty bullish here, and especially it's just not that far away from the all-time high, and it make it very real that it's going to kind of make an all-time high today. But later it came back down, and it did show some kind of a pretty good strength here and holding up, but eventually it was not able to, and it kind of make a new low here, which it oftentimes it invalidated everything, especially that's like after 10 o'clock, and basically later it broke down, and it's keep it going down, and it was never really be able to kind of went back above this middle, and actually going above here, the fact that it was able to go above this opening zone, and it was not able to kind of stay above this opening zone, that's a kind of really alarming, and so it was never be able to kind of run back to the middle again, and then it's kind of making new low, and from the top to here, it basically it moved kind of each move here that going down here, this is one, and then this is kind of 50, if it went down to here, there's a 56 points, but here is kind of right from the closing perspective, is 28 points below the closing of Friday, so a little bit below there. And for the closing, and it seems like it try to go above, to go back to the middle, and probably even run like 28 points and close at like a 56.30 here, but it was not able to, and later went back down and basically kind of go below here. It's kind of invalidated that kind of intention. But it was able to come back and close at this run up here, so which is right about kind of 14 points above the low here. So that's a pretty interesting closing spot. And we can look at the future open right now. So the future open, it continue to show similar volatility right now, and it probably kind of between now and the NVIDIA earning release probably would be continue to be kind of pretty volatile, and but we just don't know, and it's chopping for one day and very volatile already, and then this is another night. You see, come all the way down here and come back and make a new high. This is symmetric move, and now it's coming back down again, and it will be interesting to see that where the market want to settle down for NVIDIA's earning release. And here is the calendar for tomorrow. The first one is 8:55. That's a red book year over year. And then 9 o'clock have the home price, housing price in data. And 10 o'clock there's consumer confidence, and the Richmond Fed manufacturing index, shipment index, service revenues index. And 10:30 there is a Dallas Fed service index, revenue index. And 10:30 also have the New York Fed Treasury purchase. And 1 o'clock it came the 2-year note auction, and 1 o'clock also there's data about money supply. And after the market close at 4:30, it came like a crude oil stock. That's the calendar. It seems like quite some data there. I'm not sure how much it's going to impact the market. But it seems like so far it seems like it's pretty volatile, and this could continue on for the next few days. And just I guess probably just the characteristic of trying to make a new high, and there are lots of kind of different undercurrents going on right now. So maybe lots of money want to get out, and lots of there's just while some other monies want to stay. So probably that's what's going on right now. That's all I would like to share. And oh yeah, the last things is I would like to briefly touch on how much it's going to move tomorrow. So today the market move actually move 49 points. Tomorrow it should move at least another 25 points, and likely it could continue to move. I would say reasonable way to expect that maybe 40 points. And if we look at this 56.16, that's where it closed today. So it would need to move like at least another 50 points tomorrow to in order to try the all-time high. And as of right now, the market looks kind of bearish. Then that's probably not going to happen. But there's but with that said, even with this right now 10 points drop, 60 points move for tomorrow, that's still possible. But maybe that have to be after the Nvidia earning release. And yeah, on the downside, it could certainly move like let's say kind of about I would say kind of conservatively, it could move at least like 25 points. So 25 points, that would means like a 55.90-ish, that level. On the upside, that would be 56.40. It's kind of like the high of pretty much kind of the high of somewhere between like the high of today and the and 55.80 or 90-ish. So wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.